How to deposit or withdraw on KuCoin mobile app. So depositing or withdraw has two meanings, whether you're trying to deposit or withdraw cryptocurrency or deposit or withdraw fiat currency. Either way, all you have to do is simply open up the KuCoin mobile app, come to the assets tab. Now, in order to begin depositing, you'll find deposit crypto option. So if it is a crypto they're trying to deposit, make sure you're in the crypto tab, and you just have to copy the wallet address of a certain crypto, and then you can simply send to the person who's trying to send you. The other is if you're trying to deposit fiat currency, which is real money in this case, you have to go to fiat and select a certain currency, and then you'll be able to deposit them. Now, if you're talking about withdraw, unless you don't have any sort of cryptocurrencies or anything that you own, you will not find the withdraw option, just like in my case. So you'll find a withdraw option over here if you have got any sort of cryptocurrency or fiat currencies that you own. But to give you a basic context of the idea, this is how you can deposit or withdraw on KuCoin mobile app. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.